We do the tracking proper. Let's see the distance between 42.5 E and which is the secondary, which is NICOMSAT, and 28.2 E, which is primary, which is Astra. So by the time you get like this, remember this is the formula I formulated. You can use another formula, but I think this is the closest you can. So you can see if you use 42.5 minus less 28.2, you have 14.3. That 14.3, which is this. So by the time you have 14.3, since you are looking at like two distances, use the average of two. You divide it, you have something like 7.15 inches, which is approximately 8 inches, not centimeter, 8 inches apart. So this is what you need: 42.5 E and 28.2 E. 42.5 less 28.2, you have 14.3. Since you are looking for the distance between two, which is average, you use 2, you divide it by 2, you get 7.15 inches, approximately 8 inches. So what you will confuse, why do I have 7.5, 7.15, I have 8 inches, depending on this size, but in between this, you maneuver in between this and this, you get it. In between 7.5, 7.15 and 8, in between, you get the signal when you are attaching 42.5 E to 28.2 E primary. So we continue in our tracking.